Hey everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to add Google Weather on your home screen. This is Google Weather. Uh, for simply you need to open Google. Google is opening search. Search for your weather in your current city. I am searching for my city like weather of Hafizabad. This is my current city. Click search. Now click on these three lines. Click on it, and this you find an option of add to home screen. Click this option, add to home screen, and now weather app is successfully added to home screen. We simply need to click add. By clicking this weather app, and you can check your weather of your current city. This is my current city of Hafizabad. Here you find rain likely around 2 a.m. hourly forecast and 10-day forecast. Also current conditions like wind, humidity, UV index, pressure, and sunrise and sunset time. Also you find hourly details. So that was the end of the video. If you find this video helpful, click like.